Good day everyone, this is Cheezel and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will be continuing the discussion of the previous lesson in the previous video, which is the circular function. So now we need to do is go over the values that corresponds to these angles. We need to know the x and y coordinates. So for 0, the coordinates are 1, 0. In 30 degree, it is x is going to be the square root of 3 over 2 and y is 1/2. At 45 degree, it's square root of 2 over 2 and it's 60 degree, its x is 1/2 and y is square root of 3 over 2. And at 90 degree, it's 0 and 1. Now, if you know the values for the first quadrant is going to be the same for the other quadrants. Input the sign may change. So in quadrant 2, x is negative but y is positive. So notice that you have 1, 0 on the right side, 180 is going to be negative 1 and 0. Now 150 degree, we have negative square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. 150 is going to be the very similar, only x is going to be negative. So it's going to be the negative square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. 135 degree shares the same reference angle as 45. So therefore, they're going to have the same values. So it's going to be square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. And 120 and 60 shares the same reference angles, and so it's going to be negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. So as you can see, the values on the left is the same as the values on the right. If the x value is a negative, now let's look at the quadrant 3. We're going to have the same values but x and y are both negative. So at 220, 150, and 30, they share the same reference angle. So the value is going to be the same, but it's going to be negative. To be negative square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. And 250, 225 is negative square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. 240 similar to 60 degrees, so we're going to have negative 1/2 and negative square root of 3 over 2. Now 0 and 1 is in 270 is opposite to go on instead of being 0 and 1. We're going to have 0 and negative 1, okay. And now for the quadrant 4, angle 330 is similar to 30. They share the same reference angles but y is negative. In the quadrant 4, x is positive, so it's gonna be positive square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. And 315 is square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. And 330 is 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. So the sign in quadrant 1 are positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive. In quadrant 3, x and y are both negative. And in quadrant 4 is x is positive and y is negative. So that's the unit circle. And that's all in this video. I hope you learned something.